Ready to bring your musical idea to life? Here's how to hire an artist on Feeturre and start your project. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of hiring a creator and starting your project step by step. Start by exploring the marketplace and finding a service that fits your needs. Click on the listing to review the details. Once you're ready, click on Buy Now to proceed. The platform will verify your wallet to ensure a secure transaction. Review your order summary, accept the terms, and confirm your payment. After completing the purchase, you'll see a confirmation message. Your order has now been placed. Go to your dashboard and open the Order Details section. This is where your project will be managed. Scroll down to the Requirements section. Upload your reference files or initial drafts to help the artist understand your vision. Provide clear instructions about the style or sound you're looking for. The more detail you provide, the better the outcome. Click on Submit to finalize your requirements. Your artist can now begin working on your project. Now, scroll down to the Requirements section and download the file attached to the project. Next, go to the Project Handover section and upload your final project file for customer approval. Click Choose File, select your file, and click Open to upload it. Once the upload is complete, write a delivery note for your customer. Then, click Complete Handover to submit the file. When you see the success message, click OK. After submission, you will receive a notification. Open it and go to the Order Details page. Scroll down to the History section where you can see the delivered order. If you want to make changes, click on Request a small change, describe your requirements, and click Submit Feedback. Your feedback will be sent to the creator. Click OK to continue. At the bottom of the page, you will find the Buyer Feedback section. If needed, click Upload File again, choose your file, and click Open. After uploading, write a delivery note and click Complete Handover. Your revision will be uploaded successfully. Click OK. Finally, you will receive a verification message from the customer. Once everything is complete, click Approve, confirm your action, and then click OK. That's how you can hire an artist and start your project on Feeturre.